Hello everyone! In this virtual lab, we're going to discuss the ultimate tensile stress for steel. Let's recall the definition for ultimate tensile stress. We will click Definitions and go to Ultimate Tensile Stress. So it is the value of the stress at which a material fractures or breaks. For example, in the stress-strain graph, the green curve here represents a brittle material, where it breaks before reaching the elastic limit. The value of stress at which the material breaks is known as the ultimate tensile stress, abbreviated by UTS. Another material, which is the ductile material, reaches the elastic limit and stretch until it breaks. The value of stress at which the material breaks is known as UTS. Let's return back. Here's the steel specimen. We're going to stretch it until it breaks. What is the value of the ultimate tensile stress of steel? Exactly, it's 340 megapascal. This is the stress needed to break steel. You can think of it as a way of measuring the strength of a material. What is the value of the strain when steel breaks? Yes, it's 1.7 times 10 to the power minus 3. And recall that strain is unitless. Let's find the ultimate tensile stress for aluminium and glass. We will stretch them. So sample 1 is aluminium, represented by a pink curve here. So what is the value of the ultimate tensile stress for aluminium? Yes, it's 88 megapascal. And for sample 2, which is glass, represented by a green curve on the graph, what is the ultimate tensile stress of it? Yes, it's about 60 megapascal.